Hello everyone, welcome back to Naina Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to configure the Cloud Connector with the BTP. This is the Cloud Connector dashboard, and this is the BTP dashboard. This is the overview screen, and here you can see the Cloud Connector tab. Nothing is configured. Okay, it's not connected. Now we will connect this BTP to the Cloud Connector. So this is the Cloud Connector screen. Here you can see add sub account. Click on the add sub account. Here host, port, user and password. So this is optional. If required, you can configure it. Otherwise, you can straight away click next. Configure manually. Click next. Here you have to choose the region. The region should be same as the BTP region. Go to BTP, and here you can see the region of the Cloud Connector, that is US East VA AWS. So same region you have to select here. US East VA AWS, and here sub account, we have to choose the sub account ID. Display name, you can choose trial or demo, and login name. Here you have to add your BTP credential. Click finish. Here you can see Cloud Connector is configured with the BTP. This is connected, and you can see region, all the BTP sub account details. And in the BTP screen as well, you can see under Cloud Connectors, you can see here connected, and this is the Cloud Connector details. Yeah, so Cloud Connector is successfully configured with the BTP. Yeah, that's it guys. If you like the video, hit like, share and subscribe to Naina Tech. Thank you for watching Naina Tech.